Listen to the instructions and remember them. After memorizing the instructions, do the exercises in silence or at the relaxing sounds, or sounds of nature. You can find everything you need on my channel. Guided meditation. Basic breathing meditation. Take care you feel safe in your room, and no one will hurt you, or play tricks on you. Sit down and feel comfortable. You can also lie down if you are more comfortable in this position. Relax and breath. Close your eyes and stay silent. Take a deep in breathe. And let your out breath flow out long. Repeat that on your own and allow yourself to relax. Just settle into gentle breathing sensations. Allow yourself to feel comfortable. With each out breathe you will give away some heaviness. And with the in breath, you take the fresh air and you gain your energy. You feel how it flows through your veins and fills your body. With each breath, you feel stronger and happier. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. You are arriving in yourself. You come in present moment. Slowly open your eyes. Perfect. You meditated for first time. It's not difficult. Practice makes perfect. On my channel you will find some 2 minutes meditation videos, then 3 minutes, and 5 minutes long videos. Use them for making relaxed ambient. Search in description more links. Some are affiliate links, so you'll support my channel to grow. Don't forget to like and subscribe.